we don't stop our contests anywhere short of the ridiculous.
People in Danville aren't scared of heights or getting a little silly this holiday, but there was one thing standing in between them and their Thanksgiving tradition.
You're watching your local news lead.
Pilots in Danville were hoping for calm winds this holiday, all for their 16th annual turkey drop. It started nearly 2 decades ago when a pilot dropped a fake turkey on a friend's home. They've been doing it ever since. This year, wind speeds were too high, but that didn't stop the fun.
Every year, Thanksgiving Day morning, we get together, we have fun, we pretend like we're going to fly, which I think we've flown twice in the last 16 years. And no matter what, we have fun.
We still plan to launch the toy turkeys from water balloon launchers and hand out awards for best dressed turkey. Well, the weather didn't cooperate for turkey dropping, but what about for sports?